Today I'm going to show you how to build a website using the new version of Google Sites. So in this first segment, I will show you how to create your website, and we'll just take a quick tour of the interface. And then in subsequent videos, you can learn in more detail how to use each of the different features in Google Sites. So here we go. As you know, in the past, with the classic version of Google Sites, you would access it by going to your Google Apps menu, and then there was a Sites icon. So Google Sites kind of lived outside of the rest of your Google information. Not the case anymore. So with the new version, they actually built it into your Google Drive. So just like you would create a new document or a new slideshow, you will now create a new Google site, just like this through the More menu. And then you can go ahead and create it. So I've organized this into a folder with all of the content I'm planning on using on that site. You can organize it however makes sense to you, but I will show you. So here's the site we'll go over in a moment. And then in my drive, now I have this website. So it does make sense to organize this in a way that makes sense to you so that you can find it again and that the website doesn't get lost amongst all of your other Google documents. So just keep that in mind when you are organizing this in your Google Drive. All right, so we'll go back here. And I'm just going to take a quick little tour of the features that are available, and then the next videos will walk you through how to use those. So first thing up here in the top left is your title. I will go ahead and give it a title. I'll make it a site for 3rd grade. And then here in the middle, obviously, is your actual website, which will change as you make edits or add content. And then up along here at the top, you have your undo and redo buttons. You have a preview icon, so if you want to see, right now we're in edit mode, so if you want to see how students or parents will view your site, you can click on preview and it will show you what it will look like to them. You can also change how you're previewing it, so right now it's on like a desktop or a laptop screen. If you want to see what it looks like on a mobile device, you can choose these also. So mobile device held upright or turned sideways, and then regular computer. Then we can exit back out. Here is your where you can add editors. So this is a shared website with other coworkers. You can add them and they can edit the website as well. Here's the publish button. So this is definitely something new with the new version of Google Sites. No longer is there a save button. Your edits will be automatically saved, but for them to go live for parents and students to be able to see the changes you've made, you will have to click publish each time, and we'll go into more detail with that once we get to the end of our example site. Here is some more options, just where you would go to take a tour, get some help, send feedback, or there's site analytics. And then over here on the right are your 3 main features. So I kind of start on the right-hand side. You would choose a theme for your website. Then you would add the pages that you plan to build, and then you can insert different things on each of those pages. So you can insert text, images, URL, anything from your Google Drive, and you can see how that looks in the next few videos.